Hi, I'm Cal Van Doren, an application engineer with AGI, and today I'm going to show you the Facility Creator within Operator's Toolbox. Now, the Facility Creator is a tool that allows users to bring in facilities and constellations of sensors on those facilities that are commonly used within your workflows. So if you always find yourself defining the same set of SSN sites or the same set of facilities that are used for your mission, for example, this is an easy way to reduce time in that workflow and always have all of those facilities available to you with a few button clicks rather than having to redefine them with each scenario you go through or trying to load some scenario and edit it each time you want to have a different use case. So the Facility Creator is this icon within Operator's Toolbox where you have these two ground sites and an object flying above. And what you'll see here is that you have a window with sensor cadences. So you should have the default sensor cadence that comes with the Operator's Toolbox install. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and open up that sensor cadence and show you what's inside. So here what you'll see is that you have a series of different facilities defined, as well as their type of tracker between optical and radar, latitude, longitude, and altitude. And each of these individual stations has a set of constraints associated with it. So if I click on Exton Station, for example, and I go over to Define Constraints, I can see that I have an optical field of view defined with a cone half angle of 70 degrees, lunar exclusion angle, max sun elevation angle since we're optical. And then you can also define parameters such as the pointing in ASL, range constraints, minimum and maximum range, as well as elevation angle constraints and azimuth angle constraints. So again, this is just that default cadence. You can build these yourself. You can create your own cadences using this green check mark on the right side. Or within a cadence, you can add individual facilities using the green plus sign within the cadence definition. If I use that green plus sign, I would have a new facility of type optical, and I would have a default latitude, longitude, and altitude. Of course, I could edit all of these values on the right side. I could give my facility a name. Like my facility, I can change my facility type to radar, for example, specify a latitude, longitude, altitude, and fully define all of the constraints associated with that sensor on my facility. Once all of your cadence is fully defined the way that you like it, you can easily start reusing those cadences within all of your scenarios by opening the Facility Creator, selecting the sensor cadence that you've created previously, and then just hitting generate. Notice that I hit generate, and within a matter of seconds, I had all of my facilities loaded into my scenario. You can see them all on the ground here from scratch. And I can go in and show off the sensors that are attached to each of these facilities. So on my constellation, I can do show graphics of constellation objects for my radar object, my optical objects here. And you can see that all of the sensors on each of the facilities have loaded in fully. So this is a one-time setup, and then all you need to do is load that cadence later on once you've set it up and configured it once, and you can start using that for all of your workflows in the future. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, get in touch with us at support@agi.com.